At AMPM Locksmith Incorporated, you can expect fast, professional, affordable, and friendly service anywhere, anytime you need us. Serving all of San Diego County, we specialize in automotive services like auto lock replacement, rekeying, lockouts, transponders, and more. We can even change the locks on your home or business, repair existing locks, upgrade locks, and install deadbolts. We carry We carry Schlage, Kwikset, Baldwin, Von Duprin, keyless entry locks, and also high security locks such as Medico. Call AMPM Locksmith Incorporated line for more information.